All right, billionaire traders, how you guys doing? All right, this is Xauusd. I want to teach you how you can snipe at gold and hold your trade for as long as possible. All right, and if you guys know, you know that I always trade gold, and gold has been one of my go-to trading instruments. All right, and this period I've seen a very good setup on gold, which I want you, my followers, to benefit from, all right, and how to catch swing trading on gold. I've done some video about how you can catch swing trading on gold and the criteria for you to follow. So if you want to see that video, make sure you watch it after this particular one. You get more or other details that might not be explained here. So this is going to be a little bit of an advanced type of way to catch swing trading on gold. Right now, I'll be looking at the weekly time frame for this market. Now, if you look at gold, you will notice that gold has been in an uptrend, right? So, but we've been having some corrections for some time. Now, if you look at it, we have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So now we are at this phase of gold, all right? This impulse phase, right? Now, what you want to do, you want to be able to see how you can capitalize on this particular trade setup. Now, this is where you want to use your tools. But before that, you want to look at the key levels where the market has respected. You will see that the market respected these key levels. All right, these are key levels. And what are key levels? Key levels are areas where price, gets to and respected, right? These are areas where price has been before and price respected, right? So now, how do you catch a trade here? Now, another key level that you can easily spot, the nearest key level is this one here. You can see that on the weekly time frame, we have this double bottom here, right? That price bounced off from, price came here, all right? Price came here, gave us a touch of a retest, then got to this high. Then we have the what correction. You are looking for this what impulse to play out. So you want to be very careful. Now, you want to be able to confirm again, are we really going up? Is price not having a downward turn, like, a change in trend direction to sell? Now, you want to use your Fibonacci to draw to make your bias so strong. Now, we're looking for buy setup because the market has really been on a buy trend. Now, I'm going to draw Fibonacci from a swing low to my swing high. Did you see that? Now, if you look at where the market is respecting, price got to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level first, right? Did you see? I hope you can see clearly. Price move here, got to this 0.50% Fibonacci retracement level. And what happened? Price shoot up a bit again, and now price is back on the 0.8 to Fibonacci retracement level. So this is telling us that any moment from now we'll be seeing price rallied up this way, and that's the very good thing to watch out for this week that we are entering into. So what you want to do, you want to mark that level, that price that Fibonacci has mapped for us. Now I want to mark this zone, right? Good. Now, so that if price come back there, I'll be taking my buy from there. All right, now let's scale down further to daily time frame if we can get another cool zone. Now, on the daily time frame, you can see that price, since price left this particular demand zone, price hasn't gotten there again, and we have another type of demand zone here too. You can see price respecting this particular support, and if I drag it to my left, you will see that the very strong demand zone too. So you want to pay attention to these two spots here. You want to pay attention. So price may come back to this zone, right, and move back up, and we are looking at this level as our potential take profit. But follow me, let's ride on. Now, if you look at the daily time frame, you will see that we have a double top here, right, on the daily time frame. This is the double top that caused the sellers to move price down here, right? Now let's scale down to 4-hour time frame. Good. You will see that on the 4-hour time frame, let me go back to daily so that I can mark out this particular height, because that will be where we're going to be taking profit from when our confirmations play out, right? Let me just make it like this. So right now, you want to come to 4-hour time frame, and now how do you go in for your entry here, right? If you see, you have this triple touch here as a resistance that pushes price down here, right? So right now, you want to look at the area price may potentially come to before that buy setup can happen. Now, if you look at this particular level, this is a very strong psychological level. You can see for every time price gets into this level, we have a correspondence push to the upside, right? So you can have a correspondence push to the upside. You can see, and now price is back here, right? Now price is coming down here, and we're expecting this move to go upside and perhaps break this and go to this high. That is what I'm expecting this week. Now there are modules for you want to observe before you can take such a trade. So on this right now, I'll be looking for price to sell into this zone, this demand zone, right? And give me a confirmation that will make me want to go in for a buy, right? So you want to be very careful how you get in here, your entering strategy. Make sure you have a solid plan on how to go in for a buy. But if price come back here, because this zone is a very strong Fibonacci retracement level, this is the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, because price has gotten here before. This is the 0.50 retracement level that price bounced off from before price coming to touch 0.38. So from here, I'm expecting that price will come back here and do something of this nature. So if you have to calculate the profits you're going to get here if the price moves in that direction, from here now you can see we have over 17,880 points, which is about 1,760 pips, right? 1,780 pips, and that is huge, right? And you know, you're going to be taking partial profit here and wait for the breakouts of this to play out, then you move to this level. So for those who know how to swing, right, you can swing profitably here, right? You know, you have to scale down to either 1 hour time frame or 15-minute time frame to look for your perfect entry that you're measuring all the way this way, right? So I can have a very small stop loss, right? This is on the 4-hour time frame. Stop loss is very huge. So by the time you scale down to 15-minute time frame or 1 hour, you can have a very tighter stop loss, and with that you'll be able to have more risk to reward and capitalize on every movement. More price keep breaking some highs, you want to stack in more trade, right? So this week I want you to have this particular trade setup as number one trade setup for you that will give you cool money if you really want to make money off of the Xauusd market, right? If you love video like this, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless you.